Welcome to the Richmond Club Investor Channel. Today we are taking a look at the top 10 reasons to invest in stocks. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit that little button for future videos. With over 10 million households in the United States holding 70% of the private wealth, it's no wonder you want your piece of the pie. But are you wondering whether it's such a good idea? Well, if it's tempting you, take a look at our top 10 reasons for investing in stocks and see if the risk is worth the potential rewards. Number 1. Best investment for your money. If you're looking to invest your money, you want to do it in a way that actually makes you a good return. With stock investments, you can do just that, as stock investments have actively beat any other kind of investment other than property. Don't take our word for it. Billionaire investor Warren Buffett recommends doing just that. Number 2. Savings interest rates are poor. With average interest rates on savings accounts as low as 0.19% on average, playing it safe has never been such a poor financial option for home investors like yourself. If you want to make real returns, stock investments offer a lucrative opportunity. While your money will be safe in a savings account, it won't be working particularly hard to make you wealthier. Number 3. They offer tax sheltering opportunities. Hard as it is to imagine, but the government doesn't want to tax all of your money. Opening up tax shelters like a stock IRA can give you a very decent tax benefit, as you're allowed to write off the cost of your investments from your overall income tax bill. Lowering your overall tax bill while also building up your investments is a no-brainer. Number 4. Offers diversification on other investments. If you're already an investor but you're looking for reasons to invest in stocks, then diversification could be the biggest one. Diversification can reduce the risk and damage that bolder investments, like cryptocurrencies, could have. A diversified portfolio is always sensible with any kind of investment in mind, so if you're looking at why you should invest, think about whether you can invest in stocks as one part of a larger portfolio of other investments for maximum reward. Number 5. Retirement planning. It's better to think about this if you're young, but even if you're a little older, there's no reason to delay thinking about your retirement, and investing in stocks is one of the better ways to develop a decent retirement fund. When it comes to retirement planning, compounding the dividends on your investments allows you to grow your assets without actually adding more in yourself. 20 years down the line, your pot could be worth several $100,000. Enough to live comfortably in your old age. Number 7. You can back industries you like. Stock investments give you the power to invest your money in industries you feel are going to be successful in the future. Investing in the next Apple could make you rich, even if your aims are more modest. Number 8. Growth opportunities are higher. If you're looking for vast growth options, the stock market still offers them. If you're looking to be a growth investor and are thinking of investing in businesses that could grow at a later date, investing in stocks can offer that. And looking at the growth of stock markets, on the whole, years of positive growth on markets like the S&P 500 tend to happen more often than years of negative growth. The numbers speak for themselves. Number 9. Outgrow inflation. Inflation is the power of your money to buy the things you want. When prices rise, the value of the money you hold is less. If you're only earning 0.19% in a savings account, and the inflation rate is 2.4%, the interest on your savings isn't enough to keep the value of your money steady against inflation. In comparison, with the stock market rising, on the whole, at figures much higher than this, then the question you should be asking isn't why should you invest, it's why aren't you already? Number 10. Build a second income. With a varied stock portfolio, you could build yourself a second income from your stock investments, giving you the ability to cut back on your existing hours and focus on other, more enjoyable pastimes. As we briefly mentioned, reinvesting dividends can allow you to grow your money for your retirement. But what if you took them now? Regular dividend payments on well-performing stocks could help to give you financial security and freedom. So that concludes our top 10 list. Thanks for watching. If you would like to learn more about investing in the stock market, click on the link in the description to learn more. See you soon.